Hey everyone, Mike Vecchione from MarineMax here in Danvers, standing on the all-new 24 Vantage from Boston Whaler. Some great improvements over the 23. This boat here has the Mercury 300 horsepower. Walking aboard the boat, one of the great improvements they did is over here on the port side is they actually have a good-sized live well in the back of the boat. An improvement on the transom seat here as well. Just comes out a little bit easier than the older seat. Nice wide seat, so plenty of space here as well. Similar port side seating on the 23 that flips down back and forth. And then this piece here flips up to use it as a seat facing forward. And then underneath this seat here is some more storage as well. The head compartments on the port side. Another upgrade here that you can get this boat now with a vacuum flush head instead of just the porta potty. Back here at the helm area, you get a captain's seat with a flip-up bolster. Plenty of room to mount a Ray Marine Electronics Fusion stereo system and your SmartCraft instrumentation, VHF radio. And then another big improvement on this boat is you actually have an in-deck fish box here, which is great. The older 23 did not have that. Underneath the helm, you have similar storage. Your table stores in there, which is a nice feature. And then walking up to the bow area, plenty of seating up here in the bow as well. Another added feature they did with the 24 is on the old 23, you had the option of either just doing the windlass or swim ladder. You can do both now. This boat doesn't have it, but it is an option you can do on this boat. So this is the all-new 24 Vantage from Whaler. Any questions or if you'd like more information, you can reach me at 781-395-0050. Thank you.